Understanding, harps on about, an English phrase explained. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. In today's video, we'll dive into the meaning and usage of the phrase, harps on about. This is a commonly used expression in English, and understanding it can really help you in everyday conversations. So, let's get started. The phrase, harps on about, is an idiomatic expression in English. To harp on about something means to talk or complain about a subject repeatedly or for a long time in a way that is annoying. It's often used when someone feels that another person is focusing too much on a particular topic. For example, if someone says, "My friend always harps on about the weather," it means that their friend frequently talks about the weather, perhaps more than necessary. Understanding where phrases come from can often help us remember them better. The verb, to harp, has been used since the Middle Ages and originally comes from the action of playing a harp. Over time, it evolved to mean repeatedly talking about the same topic, similar to how a harpist might repeat the same notes over and over. Now let's look at how to use this phrase in a sentence. It's quite versatile and can be used in various contexts. Here are a few examples. He keeps harping on about his new car. Why do you always harp on about your problems at work? She's been harping on about the need for a vacation. Notice how the phrase can be used with different subjects. He, you, she, and topics. Car, work problems, vacation. If you want to express a similar idea without using this specific phrase, there are several synonyms you can use. Some of these include dwells on, goes on about, keeps talking about, obsesses over. Each of these can be used in a similar context but might carry slightly different connotations. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding the phrase, harps on about. Remember, it's all about context and how it's delivered in conversation. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more English language tips. See you in the next video.